Sri Guru Namaः, Sri Acharya Guru Namaः. Welcome to Amritanga Video Series episode number 1744. Here presenting an interesting pattern of Mohra Mukta Mugupu in Misra Jati Jempetalam. This Mohra is set to 120 Kriyas Mukta set to 40 Kriyas, which hope you'll enjoy a non-stop video series and varieties of Mohra Mukta Mugupu in various talas without repeating any idea or pattern so far since last 1743 days non-stop. You can log on to my YouTube channel, Dr. P. Srinivas Gopal, and to find normal videos in that. Let me demonstrate today's Mohra for you.